Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Student, we are discussing about real analysis, and here is a little topic about real analysis. That one is the monotonic sequence. What is the monotone sequence? The monotone sequence has four types. That ones are, first one is non-decreasing, non-increasing, decreasing and increasing. We want to understand these terms, all of these four terms, how we understand these things. Like one student, we have a sequence. Let's suppose I have a sequence. That one is Sn. The sequence is when I substitute n equal to 1. Suppose I write this one. Suppose when I put n equal to 1, I get the result 1. When I put n equal to 2, the result is 5. 3, the result is 10. So this sequence is continuously increasing. So that kind of sequence that is continuously increasing is called increasing sequence. That one is the last one. That is, it means the first term, the first one is less than the second one. So this kind of the sequence is known as increasing sequence. Now in the second kind, if S1 is equal to 1, S2 equal to 0.5, S3 equal to 0.4, S4 equal to 0.54, and suppose 2, this kind of sequence that is continuously decrease, these kind of the sequence is called decreasing sequence. You can see the first term is greater than the second term. This one is a decreasing sequence. Now student, if any kind of the sequence, let's suppose I have a sequence of the form, if S1 is equal to 1, S2 equal to 2, S3 equal to 2, S4 equal to 3, S5 equal to 3. So this kind of the sequence in which the value is increase or equal. Two cases are mixed here. That one is when I substitute n equal to 1, the value is 1, 2, 2, 3 and 3, 2. So first values increase and then values are same. So these kind of the sequence in which the values are increasing or equal. In that case we can say that is the second value is increasing. So this one is first one case. This is called non-decreasing. It means this one is not decrease, the first case. Okay student, last one case, if S1 equal to suppose 1, S2 equal to 0.5, S3 equal to 0.5, S4 equal to 0.5, S5 equal to 0.3. So this kind of sequence, the sequence is decreasing and sometime it is repeat. So these kind of the sequence is known as non-decreasing sequence. So these all of four kind of the sequence is known as monotonic sequence. Okay student, we want to know how I know any of the sequence is monotone or not. I write three sequence here. I want to check which one is not monotone. Okay student, I check this one. For this purpose, first of all, I take this sequence, the first one. The first one sequence is when I substitute n equal to 1, I get the result. So I get the result is 1. 2, the result is 1 by 2. 3, the result is 1 by 3. You can see this sequence is continuously decrease and up to so on it is going to 0. When n is very very great and n is very very large, in that case it means this sequence is continuously decrease. So this kind of the sequence is called decreasing sequence. So this is decreasing and this is the monotonic sequence. Now in second one you can see that the sequence is Sn equal to minus 1 power n. Minus 1 power n. This sequence have Sn equal to minus 1 power n. When I substitute n equal to 1, let's suppose I am talking about n equal to 1, that is minus 1 power 1 is equal to minus 1. When n equal to 2, the result is 1. N equal to 3, the result is minus 1. You people can see the result is when substitute 1, answer is minus 1, 2, 1, 3, minus 1. So this sequence have no the behavior like all of these four. This one is increasing, decreasing, increasing, decreasing. This kind of the sequence is alternative sequence, and this is not a monotone sequence. So you can say that but this one is bounded. This sequence have a quality that is bounded. This sequence is decreasing and bounded also. Why it is bounded? Because its value is between 0 and 1. It have value between 0 and 1. So this sequence have two behavior. That one is decreasing and second one is bounded. So we can say that this sequence is convergent. Why? A theorem that one is a monotonic bounded sequence is convergent. So this is monotonic and also be bounded, so this one is convergent. Okay student, that one is furthermore this according to this result, and this one is bounded but not monotone, same as this one. I'm not talking about you can see what is this sequence and what are the behavior of this sequence. Also you understand about the monotone sequence and their types. There are 4 types. All of these are called the monotone sequence, and you can see which one is not a monotone sequence and how we can find that is monotone or not. Thank you very much for watching Education for All.